Welcome back, boys. Today we're going to install this beautiful piece of art made by PRL, and look at that billet goodness. Just made in America, baby. All right, let's get to work. Let's finish unboxing and let's put the sucker in the FL5.
Man, that's pretty badass. Alright boys, so we're going to start up here. We're going to take off all these clips, these push clips. And the way I like to do these is really gently right in here. And kind of wiggle it side to side, one side, and then switch to the other. And there you go. I can just pull it up. Alright boys, so once you get all those clips off of the top, you're going to have two Phillips right here. And get yourself a small one like this. You can turn the wheel in if you want. If you have a longer screwdriver, you can even take the wheels off. Finding some more clips that you couldn't see. So there's this, and then also here, another clip. That one holds the bumper to the frame, so take that one out too. I'll have to take this one out as well, because that one holds the bottom part of the bumper. So there's another clip right here, guys. Right there, same thing. So pop that sucker off, and then there's another screw right there, another Phillips. So make sure you get those two. Yeah, basically every freaking clip. Well, there's that. And this one should be able to just pop it up slowly. Putting the car in the air. Yep. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're underneath the car now, so we're going to take off these clips all around the bottom. And then I believe these as well. These are 10s. 10 millimeters, I think. So yeah, all these are here. Another Phillips right here. And another one right there. Now this is all loose. I'm going to lower it now so we can grab the bumper and not drop it on the floor. Okay. So this one you got to be just super gentle but firm on this so you can yank it out correctly. There's clips under the headlight. Just give it firm light pressure, and there it is. There it is. And there she is, all wide open. No clips broken, so it's all good. Look at all the aerodynamic shit they did. After your brake ducts, outside intercooler pipe. Look at that tiny little guy. Mira la lente como el que tenía ahí, que le había hecho la corte. Those are 12 millimeter bolts, 2 on each side. Here. One on top. Remove the bracket with it so you don't lose it. And then hold on to the intercooler so it doesn't drop. And there she is. Just so you guys can see the size difference here. Not only is it bigger, but you have billet end tanks now on both sides. Y los O-rings. ¿Tiene los O-rings que tiene ahí? No. We have your outside temperature sensor here. You're gonna have to pull the sucker away. So just undo that area, pull it away from there, and then you're gonna have to put it somewhere else. So we can make a hole right here in this plastic and screw it in there or something. So just put it to the side for now while you figure out where it's gonna go. Don't forget the O-ring in there. In there.
Había sol, pero no había mucho calor.
There's several ways you can go about relocating the ambient temperature sensor. We were kind of crunched for time, so we just decided to zip tie it to one of the holes there that we drilled. This will be a temporary solution. Next time I have the bumper off, I'm going to find a little tab and secure it more in there. But I mean, it's just your ambient temperature sensor. It's not a big deal. Alright boys, we're all done.